Welcome to this video. In this session, we are going to see the demo of this application drawing color presentation. This application actually replicates the part color in the drawing sheet, and you can also apply different color for each face. Let's see the demo. Let me open this application and then create the drawing. This is G11, so I'm going to select the drawing sheet and then select the part and click outline so that you can see the outline colors in the drawing sheet. If I go back to the model, you can see this color. It actually replicates the same in the drawing sheet. It's a green and red, and these parts are red and you can see it's magenta. Now I'm selecting this option to assembly and outline. What exactly it does, it actually applies the main part color to all the parts welded. Now you can see, and this is also quite helpful for checking purpose. The one example is this one. This stiffener is in a different color. That indicates these two stiffeners are not welded to this column. So if I just close this one and go back to the model, now when I select this part, inquire this assembly. So this is a loose part now. Let me apply the weld. And I'm going to open this drawing now. Run this tool. So now you can see the solid option, it actually applies the hatch color. And you can choose different outline color from the drop-down list. Single color option, you can choose any color from here. And then it applies this color to all the members in the drawing sheet. Let me change this option. If you wanted to apply the color by faces, then you click Get Faces. The system will automatically display all the face numbers, and then you can choose the color. Like maybe for one, I need gray, and for the next one, maybe red, green, and the last one I'm taking blue. And first one, let me change this one to something different, Xeon, and apply this color by faces. This application will be quite useful if you want to make your drawing present in a better way. And feel free to get in touch with me if you need any further information or if you want to make any addition to this. I'll be very happy to assist you. Thank you for watching this video.